गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है। मैं आनंद श्रीनिवासन। कल रिलायंस ने अपना रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस किया, उसके बारे में कुछ बात करेंगे। Reliance has announced its results for the fourth quarter yesterday, and so we will take a look at it. So the consolidated Q4 results, profit after tax went up 19.1%. So this is at 19,299 crores. And quarter on quarter, consolidated profit after tax has gone up by 22.2%, whereas revenue year on year has gone up 2%, quarter on quarter 1.9%. Primarily, the company has made money because of cheap oil which it imported from Russia has fueled this year's growth. As you know, Reliance exports most of its produce, especially from petroleum products. Its gross refining margin is extremely high, and cheaper prices of oil have enhanced the GRM, which has meant that Reliance has been able to grow its profits. One must also realize that Reliance has borrowed heavily, and after saying it will become net debt free 3 years ago, when it raised 1,76,000 crores by selling minority stakes both in retail and in Geo to institutional and strategic investors. But there is no talk of it becoming net debt free. In fact, it has borrowed $5 billion last quarter from a set of Taiwanese and Japanese bankers. There is absolutely no transparency on where the money is going. Of course, the war with Ukraine and Russia has meant that companies like Reliance make windfall profits. Reliance produces 30% of India's gas. Gas prices were kept artificially high. Reliance is the largest producer of liquid petroleum gas (LPG). It exports most of its produce, and the policies of the government, which controls four public sector units, which primarily distribute these gas, are geared towards supporting corporates which are doing exports. So basically, what Reliance's main business is to import oil from Russia and rest of the world, process it here, and export the processed goods. The profits that have come out of this operation have been invested in retail and Geo. Geo has been a work in progress, and it has taken a long time before Geo has become fully functional. Reliance Retail started nearly a decade ago and has now expanded to about 18,040 stores across India in various types, from a large hypermarket to a local kirana store. And also, Geo has started to keep warehouses and dark showrooms from which local kirana shops can buy their produce. This has meant that Reliance has expanded across the length and breadth of the company in Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 cities. The Reliance retail revenue has gone up 12.9% year on year, and revenue has gone up by 19.2%. It has sold goods worth 69,265 crores. Its EBITDA went up by 32% to 4,914 crores. The net profit after tax has grown by 12.9% to 2,415 crores. Basically, what Reliance has done is it's grown its retail footprint at a breakneck pace. This means it has expanded its digital stores and also the digital footage by tying up with Dunso, and also trying to acquire Big Bazaar, which failed. Then it took over the leases from the original shopkeepers of Big Bazaar and has pushed into it. Therefore, Reliance is profitable and very profitable, and now it claims that both retail and Geo are independently profitable. 219 million people went across all the stores. There are new store openings. This month alone, 966 new stores have been opened. In the FY23, 3,300 new stores have been opened. As of today, which I said before, Reliance owns 18,040 stores. So this is digital, which is people ordering through WhatsApp and other methods, has not really grown or not kept the promise which initially it made. It is about 18% of its revenue. It has in this quarter bought the iconic Campa brand, which it's in talks with Kali soda manufacturer from Tamil Nadu, hoping to manufacture Campa in their plants and sell it across the state. They are planning to set up a separate distribution network and try to expand its footprint across the world in everything from a toothpaste to washing powder that is required in personal hygiene is being manufactured under the Independence brand. There is going to be a soap which will compete with Lux, and its washing detergents will compete with Tide and Surf. In all these cases, what is going to be happening is they are going to become a price warrior. The fact remains that Reliance has never succeeded in becoming a consumer company. It has always been a business to business company. How it will give customer delight is completely a different story, a different ball game. We do not know whether it will succeed. R.S. Sodhi was fired by Amul under difficult circumstances, and he has been picked up by Reliance, which is going to re enter the dairy business. The previous venture was not successful, was sold off to another big dairy company. So this time they have bought RS Sodhi on board, hopefully to drive the sales of dairy and other related products. Then what they have done is they have launched a beauty business online called Tira. This will directly compete with Nykaa. One has to wait and see how it impacts Nykaa business. And for food and beverages inside the hypermarket or inside the store, it has tied up with ELN Coffee so that food and drinks are available inside the store. And therefore, in jewelry business, there is a revenue growth of 28% year on year because people have come out in big numbers and bought post the pandemic. And today is the time of pandemic as well as wedding season. A lot of gold has been bought. Reliance Jio has consistently increased its profit. Its net profit has increased by 1.7% quarter on quarter. Revenue has gone up by 12% at 23,394 crores. Jio's net worth, including retail, is 2,16,997 crores. In FY23, Jio made a net profit of 18,200 crores, up 22% from last year. Revenue from operations was 90,786 crores. Reliance's current market price is 2,349. Its low is 2,180. Reliance has not gone anywhere this year. Its price to book is 1.94. Its EBS is 99. One can expect the price to come down to 2,100 or 2,000. It is better to wait and enter this market at 2,000. Thank you for watching पैसा बोलता है. I hope you like this content. पैसा बोलता है मैं आपका आगमन के लिए मैं आभारी हूँ. आपका धन्यवाद करता हूँ. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for पैसा बोलता है. नमस्कार, जय हिंद. पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है. मैं आनंद श्रीनिवासन. मैं सिंगापुर आ रहा हूँ 29 अप्रैल. सिंगापुर में हॉलिडे इन में एक इवेंट है. बहुत सारे हॉलिडे इन हैं सिंगापुर में. मेरा इवेंट हॉलिडे इन एट्रियम ANIHG होटल में है और उसका नंबर 317 आउटरैम रोड सिंगापुर 169075. Once again I tell you the address in English. It is 317 Outram Road, Singapore 169075, and the name of the hotel is Holiday Inn Atrium. I will see you in Singapore. Thank you for supporting Paisa Bolta.